Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my daughter Ava.
My name is Elf.
Ava the elf. And I'm Jen the elf because I got the elf ears in the elf hat. Or it could be a Santa hat depending on my mood. But anyways, we are here to celebrate what day, Ava?
Christmas.
Christmas? This is Vlogmas. What day of Vlogmas? You got to keep track of the numbers because I don't count that high. There you go. Day 7. So what we will be doing today is sharing 4 different advent calendars with you guys. And then after that, I will be sharing day 7 of my top WW favorites. I will make sure that I put a timestamp down in the description for the advent calendars and the WW favorite. So if you only want to watch one part, just scroll on down there and click on the time and it will jump directly to that part. However, every minute that you watch really does help to support our channel. So if you feel so inclined, please feel free to watch the entire video. Real quick, before we get into these advent calendars, guys, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, that also helps our channel. So please give this video a thumbs up. And then also, if you are not a member of our YouTube family, guys, we would love to have you. We do have a 900 subscriber giveaway coming up very, very soon. It is a requirement that you are publicly subscribed to our channel. So why not go ahead and click on that little picture right down there in the corner now. Or, I was not trying to pick your nose, Ava, so stop looking like that. Or there is a red subscribe button down below this video that you can click on as well. All right, Ava, what advent calendar are we starting with today?
12 Days of Beauty.
12 Days of Beauty from Big Lots. Oh, another one.
Okay, it's gingerbread scented or flavored.
Hold it still. Here, I'll hold it and you tell them what it is.
It's gingerbread scented or flavored, whatever you call it.
It's a gingerbread flavored, whatever you call it.
Yeah.
Guys, let us know down in the comments what you think this might be.
Let's see what color
It's
it
a
is.
mystery.
What is that color?
Let me smell it. Is the gingerbread scented?
Ooh.
Oh, it is. Guys, this is a really cute little calendar for $5, huh? We're kind of having fun with it.
I'll put it up with my
Okay.
coffee.
All right. Now, let's see what our coffee is, because clearly Chaos Jen has not had any caffeine. Stop sniffing my calendar. Do you remember in the very first video she said she never drinks coffee? Guess who wasn't being truthful?
Hi.
All right, and this is what the inside of this advent calendar looks like. And let's find day number 7. Breakfast Blend by Green Mountain. And this is a light roast coffee. Love Green Mountain coffee. They say light roast, but I feel like all of the Green Mountain coffee has a really nice, rich flavor. I'm just going to say. Well, are you doing your own sound effects now? You fancy girl. Ooh.
Trader Joe's 12 Days of Beauty.
Trader Joe's 12 Days of Beauty. Oh, I thought I lost an ear for a second. That would have been awkward.
Can I eat
You got that out quick. What is it?
The exfoliating sugar cube.
Exfoliating sugar cube?
Can I eat it?
Yes. Yes, you can.
I actually can?
No.
Oh.
Oh, it smells good. Smell through the package. So it's like the sugar scrub. I believe you use it to like exfoliate your skin, like that sugar scrub that we just got you from
It's
TJ Maxx.
Cucumber green tea sugar scrub cube.
Now, while she resists the urge to eat her skincare products, let's check out day number 7 of our Glossy Box Advent Calendar. Let me just open this so I can remind you guys what it looks like. It does have the 4 drawers inside, and the numbers are not in order, so I have to look for day 7. Ava, if you want to eat your own beauty products, that's fine, but stop eating mine. Ooh, it's a little box, which means it's little but mighty. This is probably going to be my most favorite product. 7, S-E-B-N. 7.
That's a pesticide for honeybees.
Oh my god, my kitten.
Oh, yes. This is Blush On. This is by MCO Beauty. And it is Blush On Cheek Stick. Guys, I love this kind of stuff. Is that the color? It's in the color bronze.
She does.
I really do.
Don't you have 2 of them? But you probably
Not like, I don't have a blush stick. This is what it looks like.
Oh.
Blush on, and then look at that color. Let's swatch. Oh, that is beautiful. I love that color. That is nice and warm for wintertime. I think that's when you wear it.
Am I beautiful?
Look at that. How pretty is that? I love it. Wow, day 7 was a winner in my book. That is awesome. All right. All right, let's go ahead and get into the advent calendars. Ava, you want to go first?
We got 12 Days of Beauty, Big Lots.
How about you say from Big Lots?
From.
12 Days of Beauty, Big Lots. You're an angry elf.
Oh, surprise, surprise, it's another one.
Oh, another chapstick. You didn't have to hit me over it. Listen here, angry elf. You're also a violent elf.
It's a dinosaur and it's chocolate flavored.
Our chocolate flavored dinosaur chapstick.
That's how we eat
It is. It really is.
it.
It really is.
No, I will
It's
not
chocolate.
touch it. I will do the thing I did in the last video.
I don't even know. What does she do behind my back while I'm talking, guys? I really need to learn to pay attention to her because she is crazy. Okay, all right. Let's check out day number 8. Let's wait for Hurricane Ava to blow past. You done? You good?
Yeah.
Okay. You're making me nervous. Let's check out day number 8 of our Keurig K-Cup Advent Calendar. And this is... This is by Caribou Coffee, and it is called Caribou Blend. Okay. 12 Days of Beauty from Trader Joe's. Let's do it!
Josh!
What'd you get?
Moisturizing face lotion.
Moisturizing face lotion. And who's it by? Oh, is it by Trader Joe's?
It's from Arch. And
It's made by Enrich. And it has SPF 15 in it. Oh, there's that. We're getting her there. She's a work in progress. Oh, and it has a safety seal. Bummer, we can't even smell it. We have a cramp in our leg. All right, so while she is stretching that out, I'll go ahead and look for day 8 in our glossy box calendar. Alrighty, and here is what day 8 looks like. Oh, it's upside down. There's day 8. There's the glossy box emblem. And this one's kind of heavy. You want to feel it? You're going to see a random Ava hand come in just a second. It's kind of heavy. What do you think it is?
I don't know. I woke my poor baby up.
Fur ball. I love this stuff,
Can I
though.
eat it?
Oh, you can't eat it? I use this for my giveaways and stuff that I mail out to kind of protect it. Even though the stuff gets broken sometimes, I always feel so bad when that happens. All right, so this is by Figs and Rouge. It is Wonder Love Clarity. I'm not quite sure what it is. Let me hold it this way so you guys can see it. Oh, it's a serum, I guess. Nice. Let me look at the back. Vegan and sustainable skincare. Sublime, lightweight, and micro refining serum helps uncover skin's natural clarity. Cool. I'm always up for a good serum. I'm not going to open that, though. I do want to smell it, but I'm using up some serum right now. So, you just have to be patient to get into that one. All right, I'm going to get this put away, and we're going to hop over to my favorite WW treat for day 7. What'd you think? Day number 8 is complete. We will go ahead and let you go. If you haven't already, if you wouldn't mind doing the whole thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button down in the corner thing, we would truly appreciate it. And until next time, guys, what do we say, Ava?
Keep smiling. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays and keep smiling. Good job. Bye.